How to make Instagram carousel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can simply make your Instagram carousel. So what you have to do is follow these simple steps. So let's just get started. First of all, what you're going to do is open up the Instagram application on your mobile phone devices. Then you have to create a post. To create a post, you're going to go and tap on the plus or that create a post icon that is at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on it, a series of pictures and gallery options and things would open up. Eventually you will tap on the select multiple that is on the screen just right beside that camera icon on your screen at the right corner, at the right side in the middle. So once you do that, you have the choice to select up the pictures. So this is it. I am selecting all those pictures. So once I have selected the pictures, now I would eventually go and tap on the blue arrow that is at the right top corner of the screen. Once I do that, I would have an option to edit those and apply filters. Once I'm done with applying the filters, I will once again tap on that blue arrow. Once I'm done with it, I can eventually write a caption and thing. So once I'm done with it, now I can tap on the plus icon and I can create a post. So this is how I do it. This is how I create, or I can create, a carousel on Instagram. I hope this video was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Till next time, peace.